You guys know I love a good discount. You know I love a good discount. So there was no way I wasn't going to pick something up during the January/February sales. Hello my beautiful huns, I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video today I'm going to be sharing with you some items that I got in the January Boxing Day sales, but I purchased most of these in February because I truly believe the best discounts actually come in February, unless you're looking at an item that is super popular and you think it's gone on sale, it's probably going to sell out, then get it. But for most of these items I waited a bit and then the discount started discounting and I got them for some amazing prices. And this is just a tip for anyone who is wanting to start buying luxury pieces or luxury items. Shopping in the sale is like one of the best ways. If you want to get into luxury and you want an affordable route into it, definitely shop in the sales and outlet shopping as well. So the first item I actually want to show you guys, if you guys have seen my 2022 luxury wish list, you guys would have seen or heard me speak about this brand. So this bag is from Florian London. Now this is actually a black owned brand. I think it's a husband and wife duo. I think the husband is Nigerian. No, I think the wife is Nigerian and the husband is Caribbean. I can't remember which specific country, or I might actually be wrong. But anyway, firstly, I just wanted to say, can we just take a moment to appreciate the packaging? The packaging is so gorgeous with the ribbon. Oh guys, in the box as well, they gave me their complimentary twillies or silk scarves, which is so cute. And you can use this, I guess, to wrap around the handle of the bag. So you have the dust bag and it has the Florian London emblem on it, and this is actually sewn on, which I love. And then you have my bag. Oh my god. Okay, there is a few scratches I can see. Please excuse my nails, but there's like a scratch here. There's also an indentation here, and then there's a few scuffs up here, which I'm kind of shocked about and a bit disappointed about because this is such a gorgeous bag and I'm buying it brand new. But anyway, so Florian London, it is a UK based brand, and the main thing that I like about them is the way their bags lock. So just like this, I think this is their Vienna bag, and this is in the like extra large size. Now as you can see, it's also not as big as I thought it would be. It actually is quite a decent size. So I love the style of the bag. I like the fact that the bag has feet as well. But yeah, I'm just like a bit, why is the bag scratched? I know the bag was in the sale, but that doesn't mean it should be scratched. But it might just be the nature of the leather because it's in this very smooth leather, which is very scratch prone. It's a bit like box leather. I love the look of the bag though. Like the bag is gorgeous. But yeah, I don't know if I'll have to contact them and just say you might need to send me another one because I don't want a brand new bag that has scratches with it. And I literally just noticed it. I think if I didn't have my lights on, I probably would not have noticed it. Needless to say, I love the look of the bag. Like absolutely love the look of the bag, and it's a top handle. Anyway, I'm gonna contact them and see what they say. So next I got a pair of shoes from Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo is slowly becoming one of my favorite, if not my favorite shoe wear brand. Like the shoes are just, if you want shoes that are stylish, unique, but still comfortable, get you a pair of Jimmy shoes. This particular pair has a very like, a bit of a story time behind them. So there's a particular pair of Jimmy Choo shoes. I'll put a picture of them here because I've forgotten their name, but they are like the perfect wedding shoes, and they're actually the shoes that I wanted for my wedding. But I think they are, or they were, about £1,500. I was just like, and I'm saying, I was like, Basically, I spent a ridiculous amount of money on like my dresses, like to the point where once I'd spent that money, when it came to getting my accessories, I was like, right, we cannot just be throwing money everywhere. So as much as I wanted the shoes, I sort of forgot about the shoes. No, I found the shoes after I'd found my dress. If I had found these shoes first, I would have probably purchased the shoes. But by that time, I'd spent so much money, I had to reel it in. I was way over my budget for outfits. But yes, yeah, so I love them. And I think it was either 2020 I saw these pair of shoes, and ironically, why do I have such expensive taste? But these shoes were, I think, 1,700 or 1,800. Wait, I think I can tell you the actual price because it should be on my receipt. So I picked these up from my Teresa. Oh no. The other shoes I wanted were, I think, around £1,700. Their original price was £1,495. I did not pay that price. They went down to £717, so near enough 50% off. And then my Teresa was doing like a coupon code, an extra 20% off. So in the end, I got them for around £606. When I first saw these shoes, I said I'm never gonna buy them because the price tag is way over my budget. Then the fact that they went down to this around £600 mark, alhamdulillah is all I have to say. And these are the shoes. So they don't actually have a name, these heeled sandals, and they have pearls all around the ankle strap and then all around this area as well. If you've been a long-time watcher of my channel, you know that I'm a lover of pearls. And this, I feel like the other shoe I wanted for my wedding was really nice, very classic, but it was very, very girly. This, on the other hand, I think it's so flirty, and the pearls are just... I absolutely adore these shoes. I am so happy with my shoe. I feel like my designer shoe collection is just getting better and better and better like every month, because I've already ticked off. This was actually on my luxury wish list for 2020, and I'm so happy I managed to get them, because I literally put them on there for like wishful thinking, like I'm never gonna buy these shoes, and I managed to get them. And then I've also ticked off, depending on when this video is live, you guys may or may not know, I've also ticked off another pair of shoes on my luxury wish list. So like, alhamdulillah, it's been a good month. It's been a very good month. But yeah, so these are the shoes and I absolutely love them. Like the pearls, they're so flirty. They definitely make the perfect wedding shoe, but then they're not too wedding shoey, if you get what I mean. I feel like the pearls make them a wedding shoe, but then because pearls are a part of my normal wardrobe, they work for me very well. They can be a wedding shoe that you're definitely going to get a lot of wear out of afterwards. I want to use them, but I feel like I also want to save them for like my 5-year anniversary, but that's in about 2 years. I'm wearing these shoes before then. Absolutely adore these. Going back to some bags, so I got this bag from Coach, and this is the Coach tabby top handle. Now as you can see, I haven't taken the tags or anything off this yet because I feel like I'm actually going to return this bag. The color of this bag is not the color that they were selling on the website. I'll put a picture of what the color looks like on the website. This looks like I've been in the sun, I've got my vitamin D fix, and this looks like I've been in the British winter for over 6 months. And I've had this bag for I think around a week now, and I've been umming and ahhing about whether I want to keep it, and I realized that the only reason I want to keep it is because it's in a shape that I love. It's a top handle, it's easy to open, the quality is amazing. Like Coach, it has amazing quality and they use such amazing leathers, and you also have a strap so I can wear it crossbody as well. However, the color for me is something that I'm not gonna, no, that's a lie. I probably would get a lot of wear out of this color because it is a muted blue, but I don't like the color. Like I would just be settling if I kept this bag, but the style of the bag is definitely me. And I'm so annoyed because there was actually this Coach tabby top handle, but it was in a very burgundy red color, and I love that color. But I thought, I've already got a Gucci bag that's color, let me take this. I ordered this, and I think I ordered this around the time that Coach was just about to stop their sale, because the burgundy bag is still available, but they've put it back up to full price. Very cheeky Coach. So that's annoying. So now if I wanted to buy that bag, it would be full price, and I'm just not going to do that because I know eventually it will go back into the sale, like if they have a summer sale or something. But it's so annoying that I picked this one thinking it would look a certain way and it doesn't. But needless to say, it is a beautiful bag. Like it's such a gorgeous bag. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be purchasing this bag again, but in a different color. Now speaking of Coach, I actually did get another Coach bag, and this one I bought in the store. I got it in the store in Westfield, Shepherd's Bush. I was so shocked to see this in the sale. Like I was so shocked to see that this bag was in the sale. Before I show you what bag it is, just pause this video and put a comment in the comment section below what bag you think it is. One of their most popular bags I think ever, and definitely an it bag this past spring and summer. The Coach Pillow Tabby in this gorgeous pink color, and this is the Tabby 18, so it's the mini version. This was in the sale for I think about 290, near enough £300. I think it retailed for £395. It went down to about £290 in the sale, and then like I mentioned, Coach was doing that extra 20% off, so I actually ended up paying about £225 for this bag, which is amazing. I'm gonna do a detailed review about this bag, but this fits my phone. My phone fits inside, so I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and my phone fits inside the bag, and I'm still able to close it. But yeah, my phone fits fits inside the bag and I'm still able to close it. I do like tiny bags, but I like tiny bags that are functional. I feel like this is more of a small rather than a mini bag. It has the strap so you can wear it crossbody as well, but then it also has the top handle, which is right here. I'm so happy I got this bag, and I'm so happy that I waited, because this bag, especially its bigger sister, so the bigger version, was very popular this spring and summer, and I remember I really wanted it in the orange color, and then the orange just sold out and they never brought that color back. Even though Coach releases the pillow tabby bag in a variety of colors, the orange one just never came back. And the more I kept on thinking about it, the more I realized that I haven't even been seeing people like use their tabby bags as much as they did before. And if I thought about it, the big tabby bag definitely isn't my style. Like, it is more of like a Fendi baguette style, which I do like. It just wasn't for me. But the smaller one, definitely for me, because it's just smaller, it's cuter, and in this pink color. I don't have any pink bags in my wardrobe, and I needed this, and I feel like this, especially when I'm wearing like my traditional clothing, would just go so well with so many of my traditional clothing outfits. And I'm so happy that I managed to get this, and the fact that I got it for such a good price. Patience is a virtue, and patience will get you a good deal. Next, let's get into some accessories, and this next one is a belt, and it's a belt that was on my 2020 luxury wish list, and I thought that I would never buy this belt, but I am so happy I bought it. If you've seen my date night or Valentine's Day lookbook, you already know what belt it is, and it is the Loewe OB belt. This is what it looks like. I got it in this khaki green color. Now I will admit I did want it in the tan color. I picked this up in Bicester Village, and in there they had this version, and ironically they also had, it was the black version, but it had like a lime green trimming, and I had seen that in a store in Scandinavia on sale in 2020, and I didn't buy it. And then it's like 360. I then saw it again in the Loewe outlet store in Bicester. It was between that and this color, and I just thought I would get much more wear out of this, because black for me, it's not really a staple in my wardrobe, and I wear a lot of coppers, oranges, yellows, red, and they complement khaki so well. Like, this belt is just, regardless of what color you get, the belt itself is such a staple belt. Like, it's so structured, it will take your outfit that extra 20, even 50% for some outfits, because it's such a statement piece. And I definitely want to get it in the tan color. If I can find the tan color at a discounted price, I'm gonna buy it, because the retail price of this is, I think, about £700, maybe even closer to the £800 mark. That was the reason why I took it off my luxury wish list, because I just thought there's no way I'm spending that much money on a belt, an accessory. But I managed to get it in Bicester for, I think, £320. That I can, especially for a statement belt like this, and it's made from this lovely smooth calf skin. Loewe has some of the most amazing smooth leather. Like, even on my basket bag, the leather is so smooth. The next belt I get might be one that is quite familiar to you guys, because I do already have this in the black. It is the Isabel Marrow lacy belt, and this is a very dark blue color, but I feel like you can't even tell that it's blue. I think now, because I've got my lights, you can tell that it's blue, but sometimes when I wear it, it actually looks black. So my black one I actually ended up giving away, and I wanted to repurchase it again, and then I saw this one. I got this on Louise Roma, and it was on sale, and then they also had a coupon code on top of it. So usually this belt is about £115. I got mine for, I think, around £70 after it being on sale, and then the added discount code. It's such an easy belt to wear. It just takes your outfit, once again, 0 to 100 on an outfit, and it's very easy to tie. Getting into some clothing items, so I really took this sale period to pick up some items, especially for some holidays that I'm planning to go on, inshallah, this year. And the first dress that I got is not gonna look like much on the hanger, but when I wear it, you guys are gonna see. So it's messing up my white balance, but I'll put a picture of it up here. So it's this dress from Savanah Marrow, the label. So there is a lady that I follow on Instagram, I think her name is Alexis Ajay. She had this gorgeous top from Savanah Marrow. When I went onto the Net-a-Porter site, that top was actually sold out in the medium. They only had like an extra large, and I remember on her story she mentioned that she wished she had sized down on the top. So I was like, oh, the extra large is going to be way too big for me. But then I saw they had this dress, and I was like, that dress is so gorgeous. And I got this in a medium, and I even feel like I could have sized down to a small, but the small was sold out. But it's better to go bigger than smaller, so I can always get it tailored and get it taken in. But it is such a gorgeous dress, and just think this on a beach on a holiday with like a really big straw hat. giving me all the vacation vibes that I need. Next up, this is definitely something that is not for my holidays, but it is this top from Nanushka, and you guys might think that this top gives you marine serene vibes. It does for me. I really like Nanushka as a brand. Like, they have so much amazing things. I got my eye on them and I like them. So I got this top, very marine serene reminiscent. I feel like this will look really nice with blazers. I will say one thing, it's very sheer, very sheer. I think the retail price for this was over £100. If I bought this for £100, I would have returned it, but I got it in the sale for £60. That I can do. I feel like just because of how sheer it is, it should not be priced anywhere over £100. I do like the print, I love the color, and I think it's something I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of, and it's just so cute. It's so cute. And then the last clothing item that I got that I'm so excited about, I picked up from Flannels, and this is actually a clothing item that was on my 2021 luxury wish list. Now this is a white, actually I might show you the back instead of the front. Let me see if that works. It is the Mugler spiral jeans. If you guys watch my 2022, oh my god, we're in 2022 now. If you guys watch my 2022 luxury wish list, I will link it in the description bar below. If you haven't, I'll put it in the iCard. I mentioned wanting to get these jeans. So I mentioned wanting to get these jeans, and I don't know, you know, Big Brother is listening to our conversation and all of that stuff. So all of a sudden I started seeing ads for these pair of jeans in Flannels, and they were on sale, and I was just like, this is one of the items I thought never goes on sale because they're sort of iconic Mugler. The Flannels sale is honestly the best sale out there this year, hands down. They even had YSL card holders which never go on sale. But anyway, we're not speaking about that. We're speaking about these gorgeous Mugler spiral jeans. So yes, I did mention that I want them, and I can't believe I got them and then got them at a discounted price as well. Like, I'm just, these jeans, I know on the website, on the Flannels website, the model that was wearing them, hers were a bit loose, but that's not how I like them. I want them to be snug. I want them to just suck in my legs and my butt, and yeah. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I will link everything that I got in the description bar below. So if there's anything that is still available, I would say get it as soon as possible, because obviously the sale we are going into, it's February now, but we're going into March, so soon all the sales are going to stop. If you enjoyed this video, I think you might like this video here, or possibly this video here. Click on either of those and let me continue to entertain you. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video, and I'll see. Oh, actually no, if you're new and you've got to the end of this video, I think you like me by now. I think you should click that subscribe button. Also make sure you click the bell button so that you get notifications and never miss out on any uploads. I hope you guys have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video.